This home had storm damage that required a full roof replacement, including decking repairs and chimney base repairs. Our crew completed a full tear-off to expose the roof decking and identify all damaged areas underneath. Several sections of the roof decking were repaired and replaced to restore a solid foundation for the new roofing system. The chimney base had extensive wood deterioration, so we replaced the decking to properly support flashing and waterproofing. We installed new underlayment and prepared the roof to meet manufacturer installation standards. The homeowner received a complete new shingle roofing system professionally installed for long-term protection and curb appeal. This roof replacement was covered through the homeowner's insurance claim process after storm-related damage was confirmed. The new roof includes manufacturer warranty protection along with our company's limited workmanship warranty for added peace of mind. From damaged decking to a fully restored roofing system, this home is now protected with a durable new roof built to last. Magnum Construction, building trust one roof at a time. Call us now, 205-440-2823, or email us at jobs@magnumroofs.com for your next roof inspection.